Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's move on to the phospholipids. So phospholipids, we look at the types. So first is the glycerol phospholipids. So glycerophospholipids, it includes the phosphatidylcholine or the lecithin. Next is the phosphatidylethanolamine. So ethanolamine or the cephalin. Then the phosphatidylinositol, the phosphatidylserine, the plasma malogens, and also the lysophospholipids or the lysolecithin. Then comes the cardiolipin. Now we move on to the sphingophospholipid. So this includes the sphingomyelin. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.